So hi guys, thank you for clicking on the video. This is Kanish. Welcome to my channel. So usually we do interviews about MBA and MAS guys and startup guys and everything like that. So today we went across the board and I went on LinkedIn. I was surfing LinkedIn and I found a post that went extremely viral. So it was from a guy called Sushmin Chaudhary. I thought to bring him on my channel and interview him. He's doing his BTech from MTech from IIT Roorkee and he has done his BTech from SPIIT Mumbai. So I guess yeah, that's it. And he's also a stand-up comic and the speaker of the line कि आईटीएंस के मुंह में रजनीगंधा होना हो कदमों में दुनिया जरूर होता है. तो yeah, that's it. Let's welcome Sushmin. Hi Sushmin.
Hey, hi Kanishk, how are you doing, brother? And thank you for calling me on your channel.
Yeah, that's an honor for me. But yeah, so Sushmin, I've given the brief introduction of yourself. How you can say something from our audience.
Okay, so firstly, hi to all the viewers watching this. And yes, my name is Sushmin Chaudhary. I'm done my BTech from SPIT Mumbai. So after doing my BTech, there were many options for me, right? Either I could have done my MBA
we'll come to that.
Okay, so okay, so yes, I'm currently pursuing my MTech from IIT Roorkee, and I just got placed in SAP Labs. So touchwood, it was a day one slot one company, and yeah, pretty happy now, and ready to motivate others who are there listening.
Yeah, SAP Labs is not just a company; it's a big company. So yeah, we'll
okay.
start with the first.
So let me tell something more about SAP Labs, right? So SAP Labs is a huge company. People don't know more about it because they recruit very less people. So like this year for HANA profile, all over India, only 8 people got recruited for SAP Labs. Okay. So yeah, that's that. And if you call, so SAP Labs is a huge company. It's a German-based company. Almost all companies use their products. So to give you a hint of how SAP Labs big is, I'll say the S in FANG is silent, and that S stands for SAP Labs. So that's it.
Explains it pretty much. So actually we'll zoom out and we'll go back in time and we'll start from the start. So that's it. This didn't happen overnight, right? So before getting it, there was a journey. So when you entered BTech, first year, first semester, engineering, maths,
okay,
70% of the class had back and everything. So how did it happen? Usually what people do is people go for MBA or MS or something like industry-based job.
Cool.
MTech is considered a stereotype to be a very research-based, not research-based, a very academic-oriented course. People.
Yes, makes sense.
People think, okay, you'll be a professor after that, you'll not be a SDA or something. How did you make this choice? Was it tough? How did it function? Take us through that journey.
Okay. So let me start from the start. So I did prepare for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. I cracked JEE Mains, but yeah, missed my chance for JEE Advanced by an inch, let's say. So I got into SPIT, which is one of the good colleges you have, right? Sorry. So first year of my engineering is the regret that I did not get into IIT. Okay. So first year went through only regrets. कि यार और थोड़ा पढ़ता तो IIT निकल जाता, this and that, and the funny part is I did study for IIT also, right? So in my first semester I used to study RD Sharma and stuff so that I'll be giving JEE Advanced again, but till I ended my first semester, and when the first semester results were out, so my pointer was something which I should not disclose now. So after seeing that pointer, I decided ki let's scrap this idea. Let's focus on engineering. So what happened with me was, first year of my engineering went in the regret of not getting into IIT. Because of that, I got a pretty less pointer, let's say. And second year of my engineering went into regret ki first year mein pointer kam tha. So, so 2 years gone. So I'll say, even if you ask my friends from SPIT, they'll give you the same reason. Sushmin was visible in college in the third year, right? First 2 years, I was a guy sitting in corner, backbench, in the gray area, not the topper of the class and not someone who everyone knows, right? So third year, everything was clear क्योंकि जितना खराब होना था हो चुका था, pointer खराब हो चुका था, IIT भी नहीं मिला था, तो I knew अभी regret, there's no scope for regret, right? So then there was this chaos all around, and in SPIT most of the people prefer going for MS, right? Because we have very talented people in SPIT, and let's say all of them have good GRE scores, they have good SOPs, LORs and stuff. So even my mom and dad were of they had their opinion ki you also go for MS, or they were preferring Canada more. You should go in Canada, study there, and you have there's no PR, there's no issue of PR there, right? So but this first year ka regret was there ki I had to go into an IIT. So I've never mentioned the name of the senior before, but yes, I met this guy named Garvit Bhatt. He's a senior of mine. So, I was in the start of the third year, and he was the guy who got placed. He got placed in IVP, it seems, and it was a very good package back then, which SPIT had to offer. So everybody were gathered around that guy, and everybody was asking him, "Sir, kya karna chahiye?" And everybody was asking, "Sir, MS ke liye jana hai." So he was suggesting stuff कि NGO join करो, this and that, placement लेना तो ये करो. And I being a shy guy, I went at last कि भाई सब जाने के बाद मैं पूछता हूँ, क्योंकि I did not have that confidence back then. Now that's not the case. So but believe me कि I always say कि there are people in your life who uh, like create such an impact. So that guy told me कि I literally told him this कि सर सब बोल रहे हैं MS करो, parents बोल रहे हैं MS करो, और इट मेक्स मोर सेंस कि MS में अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, दिस एंड दैट, बट सर मेरे को अभी भी लगता है कि यार IIT के लिए एक और चांस है, ठीक है, तो व्हाट शुड आई डू? एंड द थिंग ही टोल्ड मी कि सुषमा तेरे को लगता है ना IIT करना है, तेरे को लगता है ना गेट करना है, तो तू गेट कर. Okay, so and when a person whom you admire gives you such an advice, then it helps, right? Ki you don't have that doubt in your mind. So then it was fixed. I'll do GATE. Okay, I'll do IIT. I want to do my MTech from IIT. So but back then I did not have knowledge about that. So herein what people miss is, people don't uh, what I feel is most of the people miss awareness. You should be aware about what you're trying to do, right? By awareness I mean to say there are a lot of people around you and now the world is more connected, right? You have Facebook groups, you have Quora, you have LinkedIn there. So you can always, or you have friends of friends, you have relatives of your friends. So I contacted many such people ki bhai tell me, are there any opportunities after GATE? So then I came to know ki bhai in the top 7 IITs, in all the IITs, in fact, BTech and MTech के placements साथ में होते हैं, right? There's nothing कि BTech के placements अलग हैं, MTech के placements अलग, right? We MTech guys sit with BTech people for placements, and some of the companies also offer a higher package compared to BTech. They do. Cisco does that, Nvidia does that. कि MTech है तो they offer a bit more than compared to BTech. So then when I got to know this, then there was no doubt at all. So there was like कि भाई उधर जाके सिर्फ पढ़ना है and you have opportunities coming your way. So then I think it was third year का second semester had begun, and then I enrolled in a class which was very near to me, Vidya Lankar classes. So I went there. I started my GATE journey through there. So initially I was not that serious, right? Nobody is. So, but what matters a lot while you're preparing for a competitive exam is a group, is a people of that share same interest, they share same stories, and they also have the same end goal. So then there's no scope of jealousy there. It's just healthy competition, that's it, because you're not competing with your group of friends, you're competing all over India. Okay. So then it's just mutually helping each other and growing together, which helps. So I was very fortunate, and touch wood, like I got friends like that who supported me. Like we mutually supported each other. And whenever you're preparing for a competitive exam, believe me, it's not a curve which just increases, right? It's a proper roller coaster ride. You prepare, then you score marks. Okay, you're scoring marks. Then a point comes ki you are not scoring marks. Then your morale goes down. So that's the point when a person shouldn't quit. He should keep working, right? Because that's what others are doing. And even if your marks are low, you should keep working. So yeah, that's that. Then I started preparing for GATE, and I did crack GATE. So by cracking GATE, I mean I did not score as I expected, Because also in IITs also my dream was IIT Bombay, right? Everybody's is. So for IIT Bombay, you need an All India rank of top 100 at least, right? So, uh, so, so yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you something about my placements, right?
I
During my
will come
BTech.
to that. Come to that later in the later in the
Okay,
end.
cool. No
Yeah,
issues.
because the reason is, what are you saying? Like after the sample of regrets and recovery, regret, recovery, after all this like dominoes of events, January was the time maybe because our fourth semester, like say, what say
Third
sixth
year,
semester.
second semester,
Yeah, it starts in
sixth
January.
semester to be precise.
It starts in
Cool,
January.
yeah,
Like okay, 14
right.
months later, you have the examination on board. So how does
Ah,
it look like to prepare? Like how does what you have? You cannot deny college. You cannot okay. If you have a major project, you have placement. You cannot deny placement. I'll not sit for placement. That requires a lot of courage. That's not a generic statement to pass. Yeah, you
yes,
have to do DSA and people around you. Everybody is doing like open source coding, ML, AI, cloud computing, say competitive programming. How do you like
uh,
fight with all that peer pressure building up?
okay,
And what you chose is also a very lesser chosen option. So
yes, makes
you're
sense.
the you're the black sheep of the herd. So how there are two questions combined. I'll just brief it out to you. The first question
Yes,
is how
yes.
does your placement like sorry how does your preparation day looks like? Or you go to the college. How does it look like a general
Okay.
day? And how was the trust and trough of the graph? And how was the peer pressure building up, and how were you competing with it? So that's it. So yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I'll be very frank while answering this because this is what I've done, right? This is what I've done entire 2 years and also the first semester of my third year. So what nowadays engineering people do is they have a lot of options, right? They have competitive programming as an option. DSA is nothing but competitive programming. Okay, data structures and algorithm is competitive programming.
Yeah, right.
Okay, then what they do is कि भाई placement लेना है तो you need positions. Okay, you need to be chairperson, you need to be this, you need to be that. So that's the second thing which people focus more on. And also there's academics which you go through, then there are projects, and then there's open source contribution. So what happens is
Stand up comedy also.
what so yeah, I had my first stand-up comedy in SPIT, and many people around me motivated me to do that. So that's a hobby which you should continue with, right? So
Yeah,
what
yeah.
happens with the students is what they generally do, and this is what I did, right? In the first 5 semesters of my engineering, we just keep on saying कि भाई मेरे को ना cloud करना है, भाई मेरे को ना ML करना है, भाई मेरे को open source में contribute करना है, भाई ये senior ने ये करा, मेरे को वो करना है, हाँ भाई मेरे को कॉम्पिटेटिव प्रोग्रामिंग करना है, भाई अभी GRE प्रिपेयर करना है, मेरे को SOPs चाहिए, मेरे को टीचर्स के पीछे पीछे भागना पड़ेगा, मेरे को LORs चाहिए. And what happens is, Ganesh, we end up doing nothing. And by nothing, I mean nothing. Right? You start with a certain HTML, CSS course, you leave that halfway because your friends are doing competitive coding. You start with arrays and strings, you leave that halfway because it's getting tough. And
Mm.
then you realize कि CG कम आ गया.
Yeah.
Right? So this is not what I would suggest all of the viewers to do. So, firstly, first 2 years of the engineering, first year of the engineering is just about exploring. Explore as much as you can. Talk
Yes.
to seniors. Okay, talk to seniors of various domains, right? Talk to an MBA guy, talk to a startup guy, talk to a person who has done MS, talk to a person who's done MTech, talk to a person who has received the maximum or the best placement you call in your college, right? So this is all about first year, but don't let your CG down. So what happens is this is a tradition which goes down. Seniors tells junior कि CG matter नहीं करता, CG matter नहीं करता, CG matter नहीं करता. Okay, first year, second year. और जब समझता है कि CG matter करता है तब तक लेट हो चुका होता है, right? So I'll tell you कि it's not the question do CG matters or it doesn't. The thing is CG matters until till an interview, okay, till you get to the interview, because most of the companies keep the CG criteria as 7.5, 8, 7, ऐसा. So if you ask me what is a good CG, I'll say if you want to do MS, so it should be as high as possible. Okay, for MS they give a lot of preference to high CG people, right? For placements, if you ask me, anything about 7.5 or 8 is good. Anything which clears the cutoff, like you should be allowed to sit for the written round, right?
But that's not the case,
So,
right? That's not the original competition. Competition is with the people who are actually doing it, like ML doing building projects in hackathons, and
So,
they're not
so,
fancy people.
so that's what. Okay, so what happens with so if I'm talking about the people who don't do anything. So I told you this entire thing only because ki bhai, don't be confused. Start doing something seriously and maintain your CG. By
Hmm.
maintaining your CG, I mean to say 7.5 and 8 up is good, right? And those people who are doing fancy ML projects, if they are that fancy, believe me, they'll get a call from recruiters. If they are that fancy, if they are participating in hackathons and they are winning it, they will get call from recruiters. So when you are into something and when you are into it like on a very deep level, and you are doing something which not all are doing, right? In ML also, just copy pasting the library functions, passing a training data and testing data and showing accuracy, this doesn't work, right? So if you're doing something, do at a level that you get noticed. Okay, by noticed I mean to say तेरे को competitive programming करना है तो bro, do it at a level wherein your hacker rank, your lead code, your code forces का rating speaks for you. Then you can say ki, okay, I'm doing competitive programming. If you're doing hackathons, then your participations, your results, if you're your prizes, they speak for you. Then you
Yeah,
can say कि मैं MLAI कर रहा. And if you're preparing for MS, then your GRE results, your LORs, your SOPs speak for you. If you're doing
yeah,
GATE, then your
exactly.
GATE score speaks for you. If you want to do MBA, then the positions you had, not the positions. So what happens is people give a lot of importance to positions, but we know in our college ki bhai, if there's a thing which is organized, whom we'll go with, right? And there's a person whose name always comes up. So if your names is coming up, so yeah, now your effort is speaking for you. You should go for
Because
an
that
MBA.
doesn't works out when you go for the GDPI, right? Because you would have nobody to like not like an accomplice who can speak for you in the GDPI. Your CAT scores matter
So
at the end of the day.
so GDPR you're talking for CAT interviews, right? I am
Yeah, yeah,
in
yeah, yeah.
IIM. So
Hmm.
so when I say not accomplices speaking for you, then your resume speaks for you, right? If you have had if you have won a national level hackathon, so why that interviewer would be impressed by you in the first 2 minutes itself, right? Because he knows this guy has done something which other people of his class have not done. So that is what I'm trying to convey here. If you're
Yeah,
doing something, do something that will make a difference, that will create a difference. Don't do कि मेरे
sure.
को ये भी करना है वो भी करना है and you end up doing nothing. So
That
I'm repeating
explains.
this. I want to repeat this once again कि don't go here and there. ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. Do something, because if you just say ये करना है वो करना है, please don't be in a condition that you end up doing nothing.
Yeah, exactly. So
Right?
the
Do
next
something.
question was how does the you started in January, right? So the MTech
हाँ
preparation.
हाँ.
So how does it like
Okay.
every day? How does every day? How do you how
Okay.
much? I don't want to ask that question, but how many hours do you study? How does you know?
No, 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 no. Frankly speaking, the entire say 6 semester was not that great in terms of the hours I used to put in. Right, it was my college also was going on. We had project ka tension, final year project, and this and that. So first 6 months, I used to go to classes. I used to study as much as I can. I used to give tests. That's it. If you ask like when my preparation started, it is after I got placed in SPIT. So that brings me to a question of yours. I'll answer the ask a question afterwards. A question you asked, ki, not sitting for placements is a very tough choice to make. Cool. So I'll tell you one of my friends. He is currently in ISC Bangalore, right? His name is Gokul. So he did make this tough choice, right? Wherein he did not sit for placements because he was that sure. So that clarity of mind is very tough to achieve. But if you are that sure and if you have that clarity of mind, it's that options also available. So the case with me was I knew I had to do MTech, but I wanted an option which is there. I wanted a safety net to fall on. So that's the reason I went with placements in the first.
The
So
the
placements.
the hardcore
Yes,
preparation,
yes.
like when it started, like the month and how much was
So
it initial?
hardcore preparation. I think I got placed in August first week or second week of August. So जून जुलाई इसमें चलेगा कि प्लेस नहीं हो रहा है, ठीक है. उसके बाद जब प्लेस हुआ तो उसके आगे के 2 हफ्ते उसमें चले गए कि प्लेस हो गया. So partying and this and that. After that, कि भाई अभी तो we'll have to study GATE. So yes, there were times wherein in college also I used to sit in libraries and I used to study. And that's nothing कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ बड़ा किया. Everybody does that, right? In the classroom also, if the professor is teaching or there's nothing so much important going on, you just remove your GATE ka book and you start studying. So I'll tell you the best thing about preparing for GATE, right? This is the best thing. And even if you start preparing for GATE in the 6th semester, this is the best thing. So GATE involves all the core subjects that are out there for computer science, right? It involves your data structures algorithms. It involves programming. It involves OS, DBMS, COA, DLDA, discrete mathematics, maths, aptitude, logic, English. So if you observe this very closely, this is what are the things that are asked in your interviews, right? Okay, DSA and programming and all the core concepts. You will be asked about your SQL queries in interviews. You will be asked about OSK concept. You will be asked about Banker's algorithm, deadlock avoidance, and in COA also you'll be asked about some some architectures also. So if you prepare for GATE, it is you're preparing for your campus placements as well, right?
Okay.
Because you are done with your core subjects, you are strong with your data structures and algorithms, because that is a very crucial part of GATE. Also programming is there, so that helps in your campus placements as well. So yeah, you were saying something?
Yeah, I was saying that what is the window? Like if you have to number a window, like this to this. So what is the number of months a guy who has like studied all the subjects like a bit. So he has to like prepare for GATE and how many months?
So let me tell you firstly, I'm talking this about a very generic case, right? There are exceptions here also, but I'll talk about a generic case. So this subjects we study in our curriculum as well, but that's not the level of GATE. Okay, that's not the level of GATE. When you're studying for GATE, you'll have to go through the books which we don't refer during our academics exam. We go with tech max and stuff कि भाई सिर्फ exam निकल जाए, passing marks आ जाए, right? So that won't suffice for GATE. You'll have to go through videos. You'll have to go through some reference books. So I don't consider the academic as a part of preparation for GATE, because that's not the level at which GATE works. And if you want to know a window, so if you have a lot of time, if you're not sitting for placements, right, and in college also you don't have much to do, and you can give at least say 6 hours a day, 6 hours a day. So I think 2, 6, 8 to 10 months are enough, according to me.
8 to 10 months.
This will vary person to person. Cool. So and
So
when I say this,
okay,
yeah,
fine. Yeah, he's good. When I say,
so when I say this 8 to 10 months, so it's you prepare for GATE.
dedicatedly prepare.
It is a competitive exam, right? And let me tell you, craze for GATE will increase in coming times, because now people out there know कि भाई in IIT Roorkee MTech CSE का average package is more than BTech guys out there.
Okay, they give a number to that. Yeah.
Achha, you want a number? Okay, Kanishk needs a number. So I'll not tell you a number. I'll tell you where my friends are placed, right?
That's not an answer.
So the thing is, now we are in the middle of placements, right? So 3 of my friends are not placed yet. So that is the reason I'm not telling you the number. If you exclude those 3 people, then the average is 30.36 lakhs.
Okay. That's a number.
Cool. Okay, you needed a number, and yes, we are engineers. We need numbers for motivation, right?
Yeah, exactly.
We need that, and I don't think, भाई अभी सुन लिया ना, 30 lakh है, तो start preparing for GATE now itself.
Another thing which happens is like we have discussed everything regarding the preparation, like what goes behind the scenes before GATE. Okay, so the next question of mine is once you enter the college, right? So there's a lot of like confusion between people, how many seats in GATE, like कितना rank आ जाएगा तो safe, कितना colleges है.
So this average package that I'm talking about, obviously this is there only in old IITs. So you have top 6 old IITs out there, and you have an IISc Bangalore, you have Triple IT Hyderabad out there, you have some of the old NITs which give you good placements as well.
Okay.
Okay, so given that, I think if you belong to an open category, a rank in All India, say top 350 is great.
Top 350s.
Top 300, top 300, 350. Like, I'm
Okay.
not quite sure. Okay? So for Gate, let me tell you, Gate Overflow is a site wherein you will find everything for Gate.
Yeah, I was about to come to that
CSE.
question, the resource question. Okay, you conserve
Resources.
that. I'll ask you like one. This is the last question.
No. So I'll tell you what. Gate Overflow is one-stop shop for everything.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll tell you what. People ask me कि भाई लेकिन classes लगाओ क्या? So अगर you wanna spend your money, go to any classes you want. Go to local classes. But if you ask me, I think Gate Overflow has everything. It has listed all the free resources available there. Okay,
Hmm.
it also gives you the best quality resources ka links. It gives you PDFs ka links. Also, it has all the questions compiled, right? All the
Yes.
previous year's Gate questions compiled with the answers to the questions.
Okay.
So I think that suffices everything. And also, what you need is one or two test series is a must, right? So
Okay.
Made Easy, I had purchased Made Easy ka test series. You also, I think there's Ace Academy ka test series also there, and also there are YouTube videos by Ravindra Babu Ravula.
Yeah.
So he teaches
Yeah.
way too
Exactly.
awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also Knowledge Gate also I referred a lot.
Okay.
Knowledge Gate is a channel on YouTube. He also teaches very nice.
Okay.
So
So
there are free resources available out there.
there's actually no need to join a particular coaching like the seniors for IITs, we can
That
say.
is the point I'm making here.
Yeah, so I guess that's pretty much wraps it. But there's a like people do have this key. अभी मैंने एक साल कर लिया gate, and I have this rank of like 1200, 1500. So if you talking
Cool.
about TAT and GRE 12 and 15, it's a very good rank. You will get a top IIM or something. But in gate, you'll not get pretty much everything. So would you recommend
Right, right.
such a guy to like take a drop or maybe I don't know?
So let me tell you, I have classmates of mine who has taken a drop of say 1 year. I have a
Mhm.
classmate of mine who have taken a drop of 2 years. Okay, I have a classmate of mine who has repeated 3 times, but
Okay.
all of them are placed now.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter, right? Even if you start with a 3.5 LPA package, you can't reach to this. Like, it's very tough to reach to the level wherein they are right now.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
it was a very tough choice for them to make, because I got, like, touchwood, I got into Gate immediately after my BTech.
Hmm.
2019, I was done with my BTech, and immediately I was enrolled in IT Rookie. But the people who had repeated, they are happy with their decision right now, because they are placed in VMware. I have people in IBM, I have people in Oracle who had taken a drop then.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. If we have not missed any point or something. So do you think you have to put?
So so Gate, I think, let like 2 or 3 things about Gate. Firstly, have your concepts clear, right? Refer standard books, refer good quality videos, and all of them are available for free on YouTube, NPTEL, and stuff. Give So when you are closer to Gate, solve as many questions as you can, right? Give as many tests as you can, and also go through all the previous year's question.
Mhm.
And I think, yeah, that's this much. If you do, it's enough for Gate. And yeah, don't lose hope. Just keep on working. You'll reach
Yeah,
there someday.
exactly. So and yeah, we have covered all the points. So yeah, I think we can wrap this one. And so yeah, what was your experience in this podcast interview, whatever you call it?
So podcast was great. So this was the first time I'm doing this. I hope I get a lot of chances after this. And you're doing a great job, brother. Keep continuing it. So yeah, so follow me on LinkedIn, follow me
Yeah,
on
I'll
Insta.
attach the
Insta,
links. That will not be
yeah,
a problem.
the Insta ID is below in the description. I feel
Yeah,
cool while
below in
telling
the
this.
description.
It's below the description. Hit
Like
like,
below is
hit
a cup of
subscribe.
coffee. That's it. The, but
So hit like.
yeah,
And just one thing, I want to end this session with key. I was going through Ayushman Khurrana's interview with Bia Biceps just before this
yeah.
podcast. Okay, so he also speaks that key failures are the biggest teachers, and that is what I believe. So let me give you a quick story. So
So,
7 rejections which I faced, right, in BTech. Believe me, I got into
we forgot
Capgemini.
about that story. We had. So yeah, this is a fun story. I'll not okay. I was going to the LinkedIn post. I saw this. Because in my seven, it was a guy with the IIT Grass photo, and I was like, how come this guy has like failures and all? So I just read the post, and it said I had 7, 8 rejections and one from Bacalays. I stopped dating after Bacalays. So I was like, it's not a rejection. It's just like okay, fancy bragging and all, sympathy bragging. I was like, but I
Okay,
read
no,
that
no,
post and
no.
I found it like very enthralling. So yeah.
Okay. So yeah, yeah. So some of the people do find it. I was a sympathy gainer back then, but that's not the case. Okay.
I
So
understood.
I started with my BTech placements. Right. The first company. I don't remember. मतलब आप chronology मत समझिए इसमें. So yes. So there were 7 rejections. Right. There were rejections from Barclays. So so SPIT is a pretty good college. Right. Don't judge SPIT based on me. Okay, SPIT is a good college out there. So many people get recruited in Barclays, right? So that's why I mentioned
Yeah, yeah.
Barclays because most of my friends got placed in Barclays. And by 7 rejections, I mean by the time I got placed, almost you say 50 to 60% of the college was placed. Okay,
Mhm.
Quantify came, it was a mass, like it recruited many people. For some reason, I think my technical knowledge was not great back then. And also interviews is a bit about luck. My luck did not,
Yeah,
my luck
exactly.
was not there with me. This is what I felt back then. Okay, I'll tell
Okay.
you something which will change this perception completely. So one rejection, then second rejection. Some of the rejections I faced were from the HR interview. And so people were telling कि यार सुष्मिन कैसे HR से reject हो सकता है because I was the vice chairperson of the technical fest at SPIT, so I was in this HR related stuff. So but yeah, I don't know why, but I did face rejections. So my only purpose of mentioning it there कि even if you are facing a rejection, that's not the end of the world, bhai. You
Exactly.
have many things more to come, right?
Yeah.
So believe me, the eighth company which I got placed in, that was the only company which had the joining date after the last round of gate, right? All other companies, and I got placed in IIT Roorkee. Like I got a call from IIT Roorkee in the fifth round of the gate admissions, right? And all the
Okay.
companies which I was rejected from had their
Hmm.
joining dates before the fifth round. So
Okay.
yes, I was sad back then, but just
Chronology.
just imagine a scenario. I would have got placed in one of those company. I would have prepared for gate, but then if the same marks I would have scored, I would not have got into gate till fifth round, right? And then I would have joined a company, and then this gate ka result would have come out, and then I don't think I would have been able to join IIT Roorkee. I would have thought कि एक साल job कर लेते हैं, right? So
Sure, sure.
so the motto or the aim of me telling you this is कि अगर वो चीज नहीं हो रही है ना, तो God has some
Hmm.
different plans for you, right?
Yeah,
Like
exactly.
believe in whatever you believe in your
Yeah, yeah.
hard work, believe in God, believe in whatever the thing is that you're believing in.
Absolutely.
But if it's not happening, the person out there has some different plans for you, right? And if it's not
That's right.
making sense now, believe me, 1 year 2 year down the line it will make sense. क्योंकि
It is
अभी मेरे लिए
exactly.
all the failures of my life make sense, right?
Okay. That's actually that makes sense to me. I'm in my second year. So yeah. So, to the more
Yeah.
mature people, it might. So yeah,
हाँ.
I guess that's it. We'll wrap the interview.
Cool.
I Okay, so I guess like guys like कर दियो देना इसे subscribe कर देना share कर देना and you might say the same thing. It's a drill. You have to say it. So
Okay, so hey guys, like, share, and subscribe Kanishk Mande ka channel, and also hit the bell icon there. And
yeah,
yes, dude,
yeah. I guess that's
that's
it.
it.
So thank you guys. Thank you
Thank
for bearing with us. Yeah. Thank you. Back up.
Cool, dude.